To convert your note into a meeting note with the Note Access feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the Note Access feature for Samsung Note is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap advanced intelligence. Tap Samsung Note and then make sure that the on-off switch for this Note Access feature has been turned on. By default, this option is enabled. However, if it disabled, you can tap the on-off switch until the switch grows red to enable it. When the Note Access feature is on, you can then use this feature to improve your note by using auto format and turning your note into a meeting note. To do so, open Samsung Note app. Next, you can create a new note or open an existing note. As the example, we will open an existing note where it contains with note taken during a meeting. Tap the note. Next, tap the 3 stars icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap auto format and then select meeting note. You can see that your phone will convert your note to a meeting note by classifying the discussion section and highlighting the important point of each, so you and other attendees can easily read and understand it. Here you will be provided with some results written with different style, so you can choose which one that suits your need and preference. If you swipe the screen to the right, you can see your original note, while if you keep swiping the screen to the left, you can see some auto format note generated by the AI. While viewing the format you like to use, you can do some action. First, you can copy the note you are viewing to your clipboard by tapping copy. Second, you can replace your original note with the note you are viewing by tapping replace. Third, you can add the note you are viewing in a page before your original note by tapping add to and then select new page before, or you can select new note to save the note you are viewing in a new note. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.